Laddie pole, fireboy and vibes, man. Here's another story from a bad man.
Vibes.
But you knew that.
There's no time, there's no energy. I'm just running, running, running. Sweet white wine, 'cause there's no energy. I'm just running, running.
Even though the country don't they tie me, I did catch cruise, echo Miami. If only bad news could be bribed, take all my money. I like my lies sweet, tastes like irony. But that's the reason that they vex, my nigga. Heavy as the head, but forget, my nigga. Crown done they bend from the stress, my nigga. It's getting hard to suppress my liquor, so I'm drinking more wine. At 4:30, I'd rather be online than out with company. Man, I'm trying to know my mind, the thoughts are too heavy. Cause life is no joke, we cope with comedy. I really know they see your face, that's why we switch lanes, no they indicate. Everybody want blow, who they pick the date? God, when will I be the one they imitate? But most times I feel no one can relate. When
There's no time, there's no energy. I'm just running, running, running. Sweet white wine, 'cause there's no energy. I'm just running, running on vibes. There's no time, there's no energy. I'm just running, running, running. Sweet white wine, 'cause there's no energy. I'm just running, running on vibes. Afrobeat on a Pangolo. I took that shit international. I ain't living until it's time to go. Galloping like I'm an antelope. Ooh, I took it personal. Lone soldier, me I dey stand alone. Me I dey fight for my envelope. But me I no fit to the fight alone. Ooh,
and you don't have to, bro. What's a vaccine to an antidote? Blood, sweat, tears in my engine, oh. If you smell success, that's my cologne. Broke almost every code. Still I got fans filling every row. This anointing from the microphone, and that's on God, only heaven knows.
there's no time, there's no energy. I'm just running, running, running.